Hey everybody, this is Lorelia and I am doing a very quick video on how to find your Aweber affiliate ID. So I had a few team members who have been looking, who signed up with Aweber, and they wanted to know where they would locate their Aweber affiliate key, or should I say affiliate ID. So what you want to do is you want to go into Aweber. So let me sign out. Okay, so what you want to do, it says login/email or advocate ID. That is what Aweber considers your affiliate ID. You pull yours up and then you log in. So the way Aweber works when it comes to you being an affiliate, they give you a separate login for your affiliate ID. So once you get in, you'll be at the dashboard, which is right here. And it says referral ID, which is that number, and then the referral link. And so I customized mine, which is why you see mine that says lorelia.aweber.com, and it says if you want to customize yours, you go right here, customize your referral link in my profile. I've had Aweber for a while, so I really have totally forgot what it looks like, but I assume it's probably like any other affiliate ID that you get from any other provider. They probably give you something with a whole string of numbers or alphabets. So for me, it's just easier for me to create my own, and I kind of know that. So whenever someone clicks this link, it will go right to my affiliate ID to be able to promote Aweber. So once again, like I said, this was a very quick video on how to find your affiliate ID. A lot of people don't know. I know at first I got confused. I was thinking that the affiliate information would be right within Aweber. So I was logging in like I would if I wanted to create my email campaign, looking everywhere for it. And like I said, Aweber is separate. They have a separate login, and I took you to the login page. You select an advocate ID, and that is how you're able to get it. Okay, I am signing off, and hope this has been a great help.